Hey everyone, we are solving delete leaves with a given value. So it's a binary tree. You can say like though in this question you will be given a target value. So if the node is the leaf node, then and it is equal to target, then we need to delete it. If we delete a certain node and after that its parent becomes the leaf node, and if it is having the same value as a target value, then we need to delete that node also. So over here you can see the 1 2 2 1 3 2 4. So we need to delete 2 first. Afterwards this parent will also becomes 2, so we need to delete that 2 also. So we need to delete all the leaf nodes with the current value. So how we can do it is like, post orders transversal, right? So in that, so root will be processed in the last. So what we will do, we'll process the left side, the right side, all the left part first, right side then, and afterwards we will process the root part. So in this way what we will be able to achieve is, we will be able to delete the leaf nodes, and afterwards the recursively first will delete the leaf nodes, again it will, the control will come back to the parent of that. Okay, so the if the value was same, then it will delete it, else it will not delete it. Okay, so it will iteratively check if it becomes null, and then the suppose recursively by post order transversal we deleted 2. So again in the next step what it will do, if you think of a recursion in the reverse manner, so you will come to know that it will check the left and right of this node. So now the left and right part will be null. So if this value is equal to target, then it will delete it. So like that these things will work. Again, let's, so if root is null, root equals null, return null, right? So first thing we'll do is, we'll call it for the post order transversal. So what we'll do is root dot left will be equal to this, sorry, so root dot left and target. So it will process first the left part. Again root dot right will be equal to root dot right and target. So now we'll do deletion part. If root dot left equal to null and root dot right equals null, and root dot val equal target, it means that the node is the leaf node. So what we are checking is target value. If it is equal to root dot val is equal to target, then we'll return null. So again it will set null, Okay, and return root. Let's see whether it gets accepted or not. Yes, it is getting accepted. Let's submit it. It's 100% faster and it consumes 100% less space. Thank you for watching.